Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Red Magic Astra, and let me share with you how to fix camera crashing. So I bet that you've sometimes approached this situation where you're trying to open the camera and something's wrong and you have no idea what to do, and even though you can open the camera, it behaves differently and you're not really happy about it. So in this tutorial I'd like to show you 4 different approaches that you can apply in order to actually fix that kind of crashing. And the 5th one it is an alternative option that I really highly recommend to do, no matter whether the camera is working or not. So the first solution for that problem works if you can open the camera. So let's try to open it. And the first one is to reset camera preferences. So you need to enter the settings, which are in the left upper corner, and here you've got this option reset. So by tapping on it and actually using this option, your device will reset all of the customization, because sometimes the customization can cause different problems. So try to do that and check whether now the camera is working fine. If you are in the situation that you're trying to open the camera and it crashes, you cannot really use it, then I highly recommend to open the camera settings. So you can do it through the settings itself, but you can simply find the camera, tap on it and hold it, and then go to App Info. So the first thing I recommend to do is to go to Storage and Cache. And right here we've got this cache section. Cache are junk files which are saved by your device, but they are not really necessary for the proper usage of the app, and sometimes they can interfere. So I highly recommend to tap on Clear Cache and your device will immediately remove them. After that, you can try to open it, and sometimes it will work and it will help. If not, then let's open the App Info again. And here we've got the option Force Stop. Sometimes the camera is still opened in the background, even though you cannot see it in recents, etc. And this might cause different problems with reopening the camera. So simply tap on Force Stop, tap on OK, and try to open the app again. If that didn't work, we can also try to wipe data. So tap on it again, go to App Info. Let's go back to this section, Storage and Cache. And here we've got the option Clear Storage. Basically, you have to be aware that removing the storage will remove basically everything. So it will bring back the camera from to the very first kind of position or state. It is similar to the state when you're opening the camera for the very first time after the setup of the device. So just tap on Clear Storage. As you can see here, we've got the warning whether you're sure that you want to do it, because this app's data, including files and settings, will be permanently deleted from this device. So be aware and do it only if you're ready. So tap on Delete, and now you can try to open the camera again. And here we've got the notice, as you can see. So the camera notice will appear if we are opening the app for the very first time. So I really hope that this will fix the issue. Or maybe combination of all of those solutions. And as a last resort, I also highly recommend to check for the software updates, because sometimes if the problem lays in the software, then the developer could simply fix that thanks to the software update. So to do that, just go to the settings. Here in this left section, scroll all the way down to find the system. Make sure that you've got the internet connection, and then tap on System Update and check for the updates. Basically, if you can find anything here, so new update, security update, etc., I really highly recommend to download it, to apply it, not only for the because of the camera problems, but for the security. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.